Using Amplify DataStore offline is a powerful feature that enables developers to build robust and responsive mobile applications. Amplify DataStore is a distributed data storage system that allows data to be stored locally on a device and synced with the cloud when the device comes online. To get started with using Amplify DataStore offline, you need to have the Amplify CLI installed and configured in your project. The first step is to initialize Amplify in your project by running the command amplify init. This will create a new Amplify project and configure the necessary dependencies. Next, you need to install the Amplify DataStore package by running the command amplify add storage. This will add the necessary dependencies and configuration for DataStore to your project. Once installed, you can start using DataStore in your application. To use DataStore offline, you need to create a local data store on the device. This is done by calling the DataStore save method and passing in the data you want to store. The data is stored locally on the device and can be retrieved using the DataStore query method. When the device comes online, the local data store is synced with the cloud. This is done automatically by the DataStore library, which handles the syncing process for you. You can also manually trigger a sync by calling the DataStore sync method. One of the key benefits of using Amplify DataStore offline is that it enables your application to function even when the device is offline. This is particularly useful for mobile applications where network connectivity can be unreliable. To handle conflicts that may arise when syncing data, Amplify DataStore uses a last writer wins approach. This means that the most recent update to a piece of data will overwrite any previous updates. You can also implement custom conflict resolution strategies to handle conflicts in a way that makes sense for your application. Best practices for using Amplify DataStore offline include handling errors and exceptions properly, implementing data validation and security measures, and optimizing data storage and syncing for performance. By following these best practices, you can build robust and scalable applications that provide a seamless user experience. In summary, using Amplify DataStore offline enables you to build robust and responsive mobile applications that can function even when the device is offline. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can provide a seamless user experience and build scalable applications that meet the needs of your users.